Avatar makeup? Let's do it. First, I'm going to paint my whole face blue. Who else is excited for the new Avatar movie? I want to go and see it this weekend, hopefully if it's not too busy. Avatar is definitely one of my favourite films. I did even do an Avatar look last year. I even got a shout out from Zoe. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some light blue to highlight. I know I'm kind of looking like a smurf right now, but we just got to trust the process. The trick to look more like an avatar is the nose. So I'm going to use this lighter shade to highlight, but I want to make the nose look quite wide. So I'm going to make this line quite thick. Comment who your favourite Avatar character is. I don't know if I have a favourite, but I love the animals. And I know the animals might not really be classed as a character, but I love animals. I'm one of those people that watch animal documentaries in my spare time. I'm going to start to contour the nose a lot wider on the sides and into my crease. And then you see how it makes my nose look a lot wider. Now I'm starting to draw out the lines on my head. It's reminding me of that blue cheetah look I did. Or was it a leopard? All these different shades of blue are definitely reminding me of sadness. I'm just doing some eyeshadow, using dark blue all over my lid. I did some shading on the body as well. I'm adding some pink eyeshadow on my nose. I'll put some of that pink in the centre of my lips. Now I'm going in with some dark blue eyeshadow all around the edges of my mouth, on those inner corners right there, on the centre of my top lip right there, and then along the bottom. I added some white to my waterline. Now I'm just adding white detailed dots all over my face. Adding the yellow contact lenses. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Oh, come on. Oh, I did it. Oh, no. Okay. Adding some lashes. I did a few braids and added a few little like hair accessories. Last year's look, I made these little cardboard ears. But this year I've upgraded. So I've got these elf ears I got off Amazon. And I'm just going to hook them on like that. So much better than the paper ears. I do have a bigger version as well, but I don't know if I should use these ones instead or if they're too big. While I decide, I'm going to paint the rest of my body. So who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Do I make a good avatar? Oh my gosh, I love it. I feel like a part of the movie. Tell me you love Avatar without telling me you love Avatar. I hope this doesn't stain me blue. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.